In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete private or incognito browsing history on your Windows computer. So some of the information you're going to be browsing the internet with, even in incognito mode, is stored on your computer. So in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick command that you can run that will hopefully clear that up pretty quick. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in command prompt. Best match should say command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. So ipconfig should be one word followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS is all one word here. Then you can hit enter. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And then at this point, I recommend you guys close out of the command prompt window, restart your computer, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.